I'm going to show you how to make a Seaside Summer Bliss. And this is a wonderful punch drink for summertime, sitting by the beach, relaxing. So it's wonderful when it's hot out and you want to cool down. We're going to start off with our ice, and we're going to pour this into a pint glass, just like so. We're going to fill it about halfway. And remember, because this is a punch, if you're serving a lot of people, just increase your proportions. All right. Then we're going to add in 2 parts red wine. And so I'm just going to pour this 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to fill it the rest of the way with apple cider. Yum, yum, yum. I'm going to stir this up. And, of course, with any fruit punch, you've got to have a fruity garnish. So we're going to add an orange right here and a maraschino cherry. There we go. And then you're going to hang that right on the side of your glass. Now it's festive and ready for a party. Enjoy your Seaside Summer Bliss.